Hey guys, my name is Elena, I'm a graphic designer, and today I want to meet you with my new book, which is called 50 Easy Ideas. That book is for beginner graphic designer who wants to start sell their designs online, for example on Adobe Stock or Shutterstock. And if you're interested, then keep watching. But at first I want to tell you why I decided to write this book. I am the designer who has 10 years experience selling the designs online. Here you see my Adobe stock portfolio, and I have here more than 10,000 designs. So you can just go to the link below this video and just look on my portfolio. And now let's come back to my book. Well guys, now you see the main page of my ebook, and it's in PDF format. At first, when you open my book, please read introduction and as well read how to work with a book. But let me explain you on some of my designs how to work with a book. In my book you will find 10 commercial themes, and one of them is food. Now you see one of my designs in my book. The main thing when you selling your designs is their title, because your buyers should find your design to buy it. So you need to write title and keywords. And here you see the title, which is explained about what your design. Here you see the main color palette and the main design. And here I am explaining who needs this design and its goal. Here keywords, with help of keywords your buyer will find your design and buy it. Here you see extra color palettes. With help of extra color palettes you can do similar designs. So if you want to make similar designs, you can use these extra color palettes, and as well you can use popular phrases to make similar designs. So for example, here you see organic or eco or bio, and you can take 100% vegan and write here 100% vegan, and it will be similar design. So guys, you can sell, for example, each icon separately. I mean organic, eco, bio, just like one design. Or you can sell your designs with set. So this is 3 icons, it's set. One icon is separately designed. But my advice is to sell your designs and separately and with the set. So with help of one idea you can create about 10 or 15 designs to sell them online, for example on Adobe Stock or Shutterstock. And as well here you can find the fonts. I use in my book only Google fonts because it's 100% free commercial fonts and you can use them in your commercial purposes. Let me show you one more design. Here you see white tooth icon. So here the title, the design and the main palette, who needs the design and its goal, the keywords, and here you see different states of teeth, and you can draw them as the similar of your design. So here you can see similars and what you can do more. Do sets of different tooth conditions. So I mean loose teeth, implant, healthy teeth, so it will be the sets. Put each design on the stock separately and with set. So you can put on stock, for example, healthy tooth, it's one design, loose tooth, it's the second design, implant, it's the third design, and as well then you can make the set with the whole states of teeth and put each design, as I said, separately and with the set. And the third, add kawaii emotions depending on the condition of the tooth. About kawaii emotions, I was telling in the second design. So when you buy my book, you will see what is kawaii emotions and how to use them. And the fourth, draw each state of the tooth not only in the flat style but in the line style. So the line style, this one, you can just add stroke and draw it without color, or add stroke to every design, and it will be very popular design as well. The flat popular, and as well the line art is very popular, so you can make similars with just adding strokes to your design. And here you see Google fonts, and if you want to make inscriptions under your teeth like this or like that, you can use these fonts to do it. So guys, if you want to start sell your designs online, my book will help you to do it. And guys, if you want to buy my book, you need to go on website of my book. The link you will find below this tutorial.